Halo mga kugihan, good morning. Mamalit na sad mig pamahaw ni Jokjok no uban si Suysoy mga dumi og post office kay magpalit mi didtong isda. Ug sa dihang naanan ni, dali ra kay mi nakaabot of course. Skip ang video. Pero amo ning nakita ning nukos no pero na-attract mi sa iya haon niya. Nag-change among mind, dili na lang isda ang amo ang palito, nukos na lang kay lami gyapon kaayo ni siya labi nag adobo, favorite kaayo na mo ni siya, basta tarungon lang gid ni siya limpyo, perfect kikista na ni siya. So amo ang gipalit diha kay isa lang ka kilo mga kugihan, kay igo raman pamahaw, pero magamay ba ni siya paglutuon mga kugihan no, pero laban lang, maigo ra lagi sa tuwa, tipid-tipid lang sa ano. On the way, naghunong na lang pod mi, nagpalit na lang mi daan og mga panakot mga kugihan no. Ug pag-abot sa balay no, ako na nang gilimpyuhan diretso mga kugihan no. Ako lang na siyang gigutan og kaduha, syempre para dali ra siya waswasan, kay ako nang ginapanguha iyang mga suludan na para syempre limpyo ka istana na siya.
From now on, the cloud's gone, my style's strong, no dial tones, cause there's no hang-ups, no handcuffs, I plan stuff out and never flake like dandruff. Every stanza make you stand up and dance, cause it's what the fans love from young kids to grandpas. A universal joint and that's the point, a groove every cat around the map can join. And see the light and realize that real life can feel like when it's one of them days, everything go your way and your soundtrack plays like when the good time stays and it's not just a phase, you can feel the level raise like when the sun rays break the haze and the light just blaze and it tastes like all I'm trying to say is, man, I feel good to feel good. I mean real good. Take a deep breath, let it circulate to your thoughts, get the percolate, stretch your vertebrae. Make sure to stay fly like a bird of prey. Got a curse to break, magic hide in the words you say. First rate, miraculous vernacular, wordplay patterns flip worlds like spatulas. Cause what you say is what you get. Closed mouth stay hungry, I bet. Money I spend goes to the mission, no inhibition when it comes to flows that I've written, shows that I'm ripping. Those that listen know the vision. Dope musicians up against a broken system, hope it's hitting you in the heart. That's why I'm doing this art. No division, every human's a part. Yo, let's elevate and kill the hate, then celebrate. I'm feeling great. When it's one of them days, everything go your way and your soundtrack plays like when the good time stays and it's not just a phase, you can feel the level raise like when the sun rays break the haze and the light just blaze and it tastes like all I'm trying to say is, man, it feel good to feel good. I mean real good.